Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Good day, thank you for your inquiry on our Toyota Auris, registration LP65TMY. It's just a video representation of the vehicle. This is a hybrid model in a beautiful blue metallic paint. Privacy glass on the rear, as well as lovely alloy wheels. Here we have the rear of the vehicle. It has nice chrome beadings. Lovely size boot. Two-part folding rear seats. Here we have the right hand side of the vehicle. Here we have the rear seats with a partial leather, partial cloth upholstery with beautiful white stitching, as well as center armrest and cup holder. Electric rear windows. Here we have the front of the vehicle. It has a stop-start button, so keyless start on the vehicle. Lovely 3-spoke steering wheel. Vehicle has park assist with electric folding door mirrors. Lovely instrument cluster. Vehicle has 41,000 miles on the clock. Vehicle also has cruise control. Lovely infotainment system with CD player. Vehicle has front heated seats, auxiliary and USB with a 12-volt socket. You have dual zone climate control along with air conditioning. Vehicle also comes with satellite navigation. Thank you for inquiring on our used Toyota Auris. If you have any further questions or would like to make an inquiry, please feel free to get into contact with us. Our contact number is 0208 686 8844. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.